Well, hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys different websites where you can download drum kits in different sounds absolutely free. Now, if this is something that you might like, something that you might find interesting, stay tuned and do not go away. All right, before I keep on going, I just want to make sure that you guys hit that like button down there. That will help me a lot. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I'm going to continue to post these videos where I'm going to show you where you can download different things absolutely free in the internet. And then if you stay tuned all the way to the end, I have a nice little gift for you guys, but you got to stay to the end so you could get this gift. And it's going to be for you also absolutely free. So let's get started with this. So the first website that I go to is called Cymatics, and this one has a ton of different drum kits as well as sounds that you can download absolutely free. You're going to hear that a lot today. The next one is called Producer Grind, and this one, free kits. Look at this. A ton of different sounds, drum kits, I mean, you name it. It's all here that you can download for free. The next website that I have is called Producer Universe. In here, look at all these, all the way down to the end here. It's a ton of different drum kits that you can download. All right. The other website that I have here is called soundpacks.com. They have different things here, not just the drum kits. I mean, they have a flute sound kit, vinyl scratch sound effects. They got OVO sound pack if you're looking for that. Lex Luger drum kit. They got Dr. Dre, ukulele sample packs, and they got 21 different pages of different sounds that you can download from this thing. Different drum packs and drum kits and sound fonts. I mean, you name it that you can download here. Look at that. So Guitar Adventure. I mean, a lot of things that you can download in this one. The next website is Try Samples. And they got also a bunch of free downloads here. Look, they even have Grow Speed Alternative that you can get. Tune your 808 like a ninja. I mean, they have different, it's not just stuff that you can download for free. They also show you different things that you can do to help you with your beat making journey. All right, so these are the websites that you can get different sound packs and sound kits and different sounds absolutely free. Now, here's the what I wanted to show you guys if you stay all the way here to the end. If you go to my website, which is www.beatmaking4beginners.com, you're going to get absolutely free the 1 hour beat making challenge, where it's a free beat making mini course. I'm going to show you how to make a beat, and this is for absolute beginners. So if you already are an intermediate level, this is not going to help you much, but you're an absolute beginner and you're looking to learn how to make a beat, or at least the beginnings of it, then this is for you. So all you have to do is go down to my website and get instant access immediately, and you could just start watching the course absolutely free. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you guys learned something new from this, and I hope that everything that you get here, again, absolutely free, so you could start making beats immediately with these in LMMS, FL Studio, or any DAW that you might have. So guys, don't forget again to hit that button like. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to have more stuff for you coming up in the future videos. So thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.